guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrik and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk about my favorite topic, that is skin care. You know, बहुत से लोग आप मुझसे पूछते हैं कि मैम आपकी स्किन कैसे इतनी ग्लो करती है, कैसे इतनी हेल्दी लगती है। तो आज आपके सारे आंसर्स मैं इस वीडियो में देने वाली हूँ। क्या आप लोग मुझे बता सकते हैं कि क्या आपकी स्किन के लिए सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्या आप गेस कर सकते हैं? चलिए मैं ही आपको बता देती हूँ, दैट इज स्किन सिरम। यस, रेगुलरली अच्छा स्किन सिरम लगाना आप सभी की स्किन के लिए बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है। आप सभी डिफरेंट स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को रोज फेस करते हैं, लेकिन उस स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए आज मैं आपको ऐसे 5 बेस्ट सिरम्स बताने वाली हूँ जो आपकी सारी स्किन प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर देगा। इसके पहले मैं आपको बताऊं कि 5 बेस्ट सिरम्स कौन से हैं। पहले मैं आपको बता देती हूँ कि सिरम्स लगाना इतना इंपॉर्टेंट क्यों है। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ये आपकी स्किन को एक राइट हाइड्रेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं और साथ ही स्किन में ग्लो ऐड करते हैं। और बहुत सारी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स जैसे कि हाइपरपिगमेंटेशन, एक्ने स्पॉट्स, रिंकल्स, एजिंग, ऐसी बहुत सारी डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स को ये सारे सिरम्स सॉल्व करते हैं। तो आइए जानते हैं 5 बेस्ट सिरम्स के बारे में। वैसे तो ये सारे सिरम्स जो मैं बताने वाली हूँ, पांचों ही सिरम्स बहुत बेस्ट है, लेकिन आप इस पूरे वीडियो में मेकआउट कर लेना कि आपकी स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स को देखकर आपके लिए कौन सा सिरम बेस्ट रहेगा। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं वीडियो को। 5 बेस्ट सिरम्स फॉर योर स्किन। फर्स्ट इन द लिस्ट इज Key Vitamin C Serum. So पहले हम Key ब्रांड के बारे में थोड़ा जान लेते हैं। So Key is a superior skincare brand that addresses all unmet skin needs. They offer dermatologists absolute safe, delightfully gentle and unquestionably effective products made with ethically sourced and toxin-free ingredients. And now let's talk about this amazing Vitamin C Serum. It has 10% Vitamin C plus E and 5% niacinamide serum with Sicilian and blood orange. It treats pigmentation, reverse dullness, firm your skin, fight signs of aging and give even toned glowing skin. It also reduces dark spots and inhibits melanin. It is suitable for all skin types and beginner friendly. It re-energizes skin and boosts collagen. Vitamin E work in harmony with Vitamin C to boost efficacy. It's lightweight and oil-free and quick absorbing serum. 91% women who was using this serum has visibly noticed their skin was really brightened in just 4 weeks, and 83% women has fades their dark spots in just 8 weeks. And also the best part is this serum is paraben and silicone free and also sulfate free. They haven't used any essential oil, no synthetic dyes, no fragrances, no mineral oil, and it's cruelty free and derma tested. And I truly love the packaging of this amazing serum, and it comes in a very affordable price range of rupees 695. And the best part about this serum is it's very lightweight. You will not feel sticky after using this serum. It truly fights all my skin problems and brighten my skin. And definitely you will see the visible brightness after first use only. I'm in love with this serum. I hope you will also like it. Now let's move ahead towards the second serum. Second in the list is Essence Radiance Boosting Serum. So let's know about this wonderful brand first. Essence has started with the vision of offering natural skincare products. Essence today is a brand name synonymous with wide range of highly effective yet affordable professional as well as retail skincare products. Now talking about this Radiance Boosting Serum, it enhances natural glow, repairs and nourishes skin. It also promotes skin regeneration and protect the skin from sun damage. It is available in the affordable price range of rupees 400. The 24 key gold particles impart an instant healthy looking glow, making it a must-have serum for women. The skin looks visibly luminous and healthy. It reduces dark spots over the time, resulting in a radiant complexion. Almond oil and jojoba oil locks moisture in the skin and keep it hydrated for long hours. It saturates for instant radiance, giving a skin a lift effect. It combats sagging, signs of aging and fine lines. It has titanium dioxide that reflects and scatters UVA and UVB rays. Suitable for all skin types, it is sulfate and paraben free, which is safe for long-term use. It also fights with wrinkles over time. You will see the visible glow and radiance on your skin when you will use this serum regularly. And I truly love this brand because it makes really affordable price products. And even they don't compromise with the quality. The quality is also amazing and I can feel the visible change in my skin after using this Glow Radiance serum. So if you're looking for a serum who will solve all your problems like aging, fine lines, wrinkles, and also you want glow along with that, so this serum is for you. So now let's proceed towards the third serum in the list, Moody Vitamin C Serum. So let's know about the brand first. Moody is a skincare brand made to suit different moods of your skin. It is aimed towards creating an open platform for free exchanges on different Gen Z concerns, be it mood, emotion, or skin related. This brand strives to promote a positive skin and mental health at all levels. It also comes with this cute stickers. Moody is a fun, vibrant skincare brand built with affinity to meet Gen Z skin concerns and to match up to the various moods of their skin. This serum reduces hyperpigmentation and protects against photodamage, making the skin brighter, hydrates adequately, leaving your skin moisturized and plump. It will definitely brighten your skin 10 times due to power of vitamin C complex, and it is also beginner friendly. And this amazing Moody Vitamin C serums comes in an affordable price range of rupees 699. Isn't it amazing? And this serum is for both men and women. It also forms a protective shield on the skin to fight aggressors. It is amplified with ferulic acid. It retains skin hydrous flow for radiant look. You can see I am applying this wonderful vitamin C serum Moody and my mood has suddenly boosted a lot and I'm loving my skin after using this vitamin C serum from Moody. It performs both the tasks. It will fight my hyperpigmentation and also protect my skin from UV rays. So thank you so much Moody, and now let's proceed towards the next serum in the list. So next in the list is Pilgrim Vitamin C Serum. Pilgrim is all about creating and bringing borderless beauty experience. They aim to unearth beauty secrets from all over the world for your healthy skin and hair. The products are cruelty-free, sulfate-free and paraben-free. It is 100% vegan and it is suitable for men and women both. It is made Indian. This serum will brighten your skin and works on pigmentation. You can use code PGSB15 to receive 15% off site-wide. It is available in price range of rupees 1300. This serum is the perfect glow recipe with two powerful skin brighteners, Vitamin C and Alpha Arbutin. They fight daily damage caused due to pollution and stress to enhance the glow. You know, Alpha Arbutin is a natural pigmentation remover that delivers an even complexion. It also contains 2% of garden cress, brightening complex that visibly brightens and helps to reduce melanin production. Supported by antioxidant extracts like blueberry, strawberry, mulberry, raspberry, and grapefruit that boost collagens and has anti-aging goodness. And the best part is 93% users who were using this serum has observed brighter skin. So I'm in love with this serum which is made up of so many natural ingredients who works on my skin so well. So thank you so much Pilgrim for making such amazing serum for us. You should definitely try this serum which is full of antioxidants and so many natural ingredients. So now it's time to move ahead towards the last serum in the list, that is Foxtale Hyaluronic Acid Serum for skin plumping. It is your daily hydrating serum. This amazing serum makes skin plumper and brighter by 75% instantly. It reduces uneven skin tone and dark patches around chin and eyes. 60% reduction in fine lines, wrinkles and provides 24 hours of moisturization all day. It also reduces inflammation and redness within 10 minutes. Available in price range of rupees 549, this serum is what you are looking for. And And you know what? 80% of skincare problems are caused by dehydration. Foxtale's daily hydrating serum with hyaluronic acid fight all signs of dehydration to give your skin plumper, tighter and brighter effect, and with visible reduction in fine lines and wrinkles. Confining hyaluronic acid, red algae and aquaporin assure deep tissue moisturization and boost water transfer within cells to make skin plumper, producing a natural, supple and radiant look that lasts for 24 hours. Alpha negative bisabolol present in this serum helps reduces redness and irritation. It is the master of all the thing, the Keep Calm Hydrating Serum. It has 6 hero ingredients: sodium hyaluronate, alpha negative bisabolol, red algae extract, aquaporin boosters, betaine and vitamin B5. You can use code YT15 and avail 15% off on all orders. I can truly see the visible change after using this serum in my skin. I'm in love with this hydrating serum. If your skin is really dry and need food, you should try this serum and thanks me a lot in comments. So this was the last serum in my list. I hope you really like all the serums and you have assured that which serum is best for you. So let me repeat my list. So first best serum was Key Vitamin C Serum. Second was Nature Essence Radiance Boosting Serum. Third was Moody Vitamin C Face Serum. Fourth was Pilgrim Vitamin C Serum. And fifth was Foxtale Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope ये पूरा वीडियो देखने के बाद आप बिल्कुल फिगर आउट कर पाए होंगे कि आपके लिए कौन सा सीरम बेस्ट है, क्योंकि मैंने सबके प्राइस बताए हैं, सारे इंग्रेडिएंट्स बताए हैं, कौन सा सीरम क्या स्किन प्रॉब्लम को टारगेट करता है ये भी मैंने आपको अच्छी तरीके से बता दिया है. आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर बताइए कि आपकी स्किन के अकॉर्डिंग आपको कौन सा सीरम बेस्ट लगता है. सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड इफ यू रियली लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज गिव इट अ थम्स up, and for more such videos subscribe to my channel and do follow me on Instagram. My user ID is sagrika_jain and ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर कीजिए ताकि ज़्यादा लोग अपनी स्किन प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व कर पाए. I hope this video is really helpful for you. इसी तरीके से अपना प्यार मेरे चैनल पर बनाए रखिए and have a happy and healthy skin. Bye bye.